Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Ro from Ro's Kitchen, and I just wanted to make an announcement. I have closed the Monday night virtual cooking class, the one that was for June for 4 weeks from uh, whatever Monday night was. It doesn't matter. It's closed. Can't get in. 6 people only. Class is done. So we're moving now. I still have openings in my Wednesday morning class, which will be from 9 to 11 a.m. 4 Wednesdays in June. Virtual class. We make 3 to 4 meals in each week. 6 people only to a class, and it's private, so no one can pop in. You will only get the link. If you're interested in this class and the cost and the information that goes with it, please send me an email. Send that email to ro@greenkitchenwithro.com. I'll put it in the box below. Remember, only 6 people to a class. I want it to be very private. I want it to be very almost one-on-one. And we will cook together. You will be getting a recipe journal that you can write all the recipes in that we do, and it's really a cool thing, and we'll have a lot of fun. So if you're interested in the Wednesday morning from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, send me a message and we'll get you hooked up, okay? Thanks so much, guys. Talk to you soon. Just a reminder. Isn't that funny?